Commercial rabbit farming is not a new business idea. People are raising rabbits as pets and for food for a long time ago. Starting this business is very easy, even the beginners can raise them. Students, unemployed youths, or housewives can easily start a low-cost rabbit farming business in their backyard, on the roof, and in the house. Rabbits need a small place for living, and less food for surviving. Rabbit meat contains a higher ratio of protein, energy, calcium, and vitamin than any other type of animal meat. The amount of cholesterol, fat, and sodium is also less than in other meat. Their meat is very tasty, nutritious, and easily digestible for all aged people. And there is no religious taboo for consuming rabbit meat. Rabbits grow very fast, and the female rabbit produces 2 to 8 kids every time. They can consume low-quality food and turn it into high-quality meat, skin, or fiber. Commercial rabbit farming can be a great income source for unemployed youth, educated people, and landless farmers. So commercial rabbit farming business can be a great source to meet up the food or protein demand, and a great source of employment. Rabbit farming is a more profitable business, with less space, less cost, and less labor. Dear viewers, today in this video, we will try to explain the method of rabbit farming step by step, and its advantages and disadvantages. There are many rabbit breeds available throughout the world. However, depending on the needs and availability of your area, highly productive and popular right breed you can choose for commercial rabbit farming. Rabbits can be reared in both deep litter and cage methods. The deep litter method is suitable if you want to raise a few number of rabbits. A concrete floor is more suitable for a deep litter system. Make 4 to 5 inches depth litter husk, hay, straw, or wood shavings. In this method, you can raise a maximum of 30 rabbits in a house. Keep the male rabbits in a separate room from the female. However, in a deep litter system, the risk of diseases is high, and sometimes, it may seem very difficult to manage the rabbit in this system. For the commercial rabbit farming business, the cage method is the best. In this system, the rabbits are kept in a cage, which is made of wire or iron plate. The cage system is very useful for raising a maximum number of rabbits. Keep sufficient space and necessary facilities inside every cage. Keep the male and female rabbits separated from each other. Keep them together in a separate cage during the breeding period. Feed consumption rate and nutrient requirements vary depending on the rabbit's age and breed type. Green leafy vegetables, seasonal vegetables, spinach, carrots, mullah, cucumber, green grass, and vegetable wastes are common food for rabbits. For commercial purposes, you can serve them poultry feed. In accordance with providing nutritious feed, supply them with sufficient clean and fresh water according to their demand. Usually, rabbits become mature and suitable for breeding purposes within their 5 to 6 months of age. But don't use the male rabbits for breeding purposes until they reach their first birthday. Doing this will ensure quality young rabbits for commercial production. Always try to use healthy rabbits with proper body weight for breeding. Never bred the females if they are ill. Take special care of the breeding male and pregnant female rabbits, and provide them nutritious feed. The gestation period of rabbits is about 28 to 31 days, and each time a doe can give birth to 2 to 8 kids. Regularly monitor the health of rabbits on your farm, and always try to keep in touch with a veterinarian in your area.